Well, I turned the key and opened up the door tonight. And the silence hit me, it just didn't feel right. No music was playing, no hello, my dear. Nothing but the echo of memory I still hear. Yes, the clock's ticking louder on the wall, marking time since you've been gone, since you let our love fall. That old armchair where you sit and read a book just has a shadow in its lonely look. And I poured 2 glasses out of an old tired habit. Then I had to sit right down, 'cause I felt my heart caving. It's little things you notice, the small quiet ways that remind you of the sun in those brighter, better days. And it's the echo in this empty room, dancing in the shadows and the gloom. It answers all my questions with a sad and lonely tune. This echo in the emptiness, since you've been gone so soon. Yes, this echo keeps me company in my lonesome state, reminding me it's getting late. So late. You say I should move on, find a way to be strong, but this empty room keeps telling me that's wrong. 'Cause a love like ours, it don't just disappear, it just turns into a silence that I still can hear. So I let this old guitar say what I can't say myself, until I put these memories back up on the shelf. And it's the echo in this empty room, dancing in the shadows and the gloom. It answers all my questions with a sad and lonely tune. This echo in the emptiness, since you've been gone so soon. Yes, this echo keeps me company, a familiar painful sound in this empty room where my joy used to be found. All right, Lucille, talk to me. Tell me about that echo. Just you and me now. Fill up the space. One more time for the good times. Fade on out now, sweetheart. Take it on home. Oh, take it on home. still remember the fabric of your favorite dress, the way it would dance round your knees in a mess. We were two bright colors, woven tight and bold, a story that I thought would never grow old. We built our world from whispers and from dreams, there by the river beneath the sun's warm beams. But time, it has a way of fading out the hue, and gentle hands came together warm. We didn't scream, we didn't shout or break a single thing. Our love just started from the edges, a slow unraveling, a little less laughter, a little more quiet in the air. The space between us on the couch, a distance we couldn't spare. Oh, we're on an afraid edge of love, my dear, where the threads of what we were are still so clear. I can see the brilliant pattern we began in the tired and worn out, fragile in span. And I'm holding on to this frayed edge tonight, 'cause it's still the most beautiful thing in my sight. I found a photograph tucked in a notebook last week of you smiling at me, your eyes so bright, your future looking so sleek. And my heart didn't break, it just swelled with a grateful quiet pain for the perfect untarnished love we had before the wear and the strain. I wouldn't trade a single second, no, not even this quiet end, for the masterpiece we were before the thread started to bend. Oh, we're on the frayed edge of love, my dear, where the threads of what we were are still so clear. I can see the brilliant pattern we began in the tired and worn out, fragile thin span. And I'm holding on to this frayed edge tonight, 'cause it's still the most beautiful thing in my sight. Oh, they only write songs about the fire and the crash, but what about the love that just turns to ash? Not from a storm, but from the softest side, the kind of love that doesn't die, it just gets too tired. So I'll hold this frayed edge, so gentle in my hand, the most delicate thing in all this land. Farewell, my love, so beautiful and true, even in the fray. My heart remembers you. Rain keeps falling on my window pane, steady rhythm like a tired old refrain. I'm watching droplets chase each other down the glass, remembering the moments that too quickly passed. world outside is painted 50 shades of gray, matching all the colors that you took away. Oh, it's just another blues for a rainy afternoon, with nothing but the memories in this lonely room. The saxophone is crying notes of what we used to be, while yesterday's ghost keeps haunting me. Yeah, it's just these rainy afternoon blues, with nothing left to win and nothing left to lose. Found your sweater in the closet yesterday, still holding whispers. Yes, a perfume bouquet. I poured some coffee, let the steam rise to the ceiling, trying to numb the pain of this slow, dull feeling. The clock keeps ticking, but the time it stands so still. In this empty house, upon this lonely hill. Oh, it's just another blues for a rainy afternoon, with nothing but these memories in this lonely room. The saxophone is crying notes of what we used to be, while yesterday's ghost keeps haunting me. Yeah, it's just these rainy afternoon blues, with nothing left to win and nothing left to lose. They say that time can heal the deepest cut, but mine's still bleeding, my heart's still shut against the storm that you left in your way. For heaven's sake, for heaven's sake. Oh, it's just another blues for a rainy afternoon, with nothing but these memories in this lonely room. The saxophone is crying notes of what we used to be, while yesterday's ghost keeps haunting me. Yeah, it's just these rainy afternoon blues, with nothing left to win and nothing left to lose. Wash away my frown. Saxophone, play on until the sadness is gone. Tell you pretty lies. They come in like a hurricane, leave you in the dust, leaving nothing but man but broken trust. Yeah, I love you in the evening, One puts out the fire, the other set you free. They'll warm you through the night, then leave you in the cold. Another chapter in a story that's been told. Yeah, whiskey and smoky women, my two oldest friends, leading this poor heart to another bitter end. I met one down in Memphis with a laugh like rain gold. She had a heart so reckless and so bold. She drank my finest bourbon, smoked my last cigar, then left me staring at an empty bar. Now I'm just another fool sitting in this haze, counting up my lonely wasted days. Oh, it's whiskey and smoky women, that's been the death of me. One puts out the fire, the other sets you free. They'll warm you through the night, then leave you in the cold. Another chapter in a story that's been told. Yeah, whiskey and smoky women, my two oldest friends, leading this poor heart to another bitter end. Now my liver's complaining and my heart's black and blue, but I keep chasing what I know I shouldn't do. There's a new one at the counter, giving me that look, and I'm already reaching for that bottle on the hook. Some men never learn, some men never do. I guess I'm just a fool who's always starting new. Oh, it's whiskey and smoky women, that's been the death of me. One puts out the fire, the other sets you free. They warm you through the night, then leave you in the cold. Another chapter in a story that's been told. Yeah, whiskey and smoky women, my two oldest friends, leading this poor heart to another bitter end. Whiskey and smoky women, my downfall, my curse, my empty pockets and this thirsty thirst. One more glass to forget her name, play that blues just the same.